third year undergraduate student of the Department of Mining Engineering, enrolled in his dual degree course with specialization in safety engineering. I am from New Delhi. I am a boarder of Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence. I am contesting for the post of Vice President, Technology Student Gymkhana, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, for the academic session 2015-2016.
Any questions on the introduction?
Atal, what is the motto of RK Hall of Residence?
So, the motto of Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence is a great place to learn and live.
Any further questions? Atal, please begin your statement of purpose.
The Vice President of the Technology Student Gymkhana is the representative of the students in all the activities where students' interests are involved. Voicing their concerns and grievances, the Vice President is the most crucial link between the student community and the institute administration. During my stay at IIT Kharagpur, I have been involved in various extracurricular activities, successfully demonstrating my leadership skills, team working ability, and efficient time management. Over the past 2 years, I have been involved with Students Alumni Cell, working under the Dean of Alumni Affairs and International Relations. As a student member, I worked in various facets such as database networking, sponsorship, and event management. On the basis of my interest and performance as a student member, I was selected as a coordinator and fundraising head of Students Alumni Cell for the academic session 2014-2015. Throughout my tenure as a fundraising head, I assisted the Office of Alumni Affairs and International Relations in raising a total fund of 2.54 crores. I, along with my team, organized and executed the 12th annual alumni meet, which witnessed the participation of 245 alumni and 1,000 students of IIT Kharagpur. I was solely responsible for conducting the regional students alumni meet in Bangalore, which saw an increase in participation of 250% as compared to the previous meet. Apart from my involvement with Students Alumni Cell, I am an active member of Autonomous Ground Vehicle Research Group. In my first year, I was a member of the team that represented IIT Kharagpur in Intelligent Ground Vehicle Competition 2013, held at Oakland University, Michigan, United States of America, in which we bagged 5th and 9th positions in Basic and Advanced AutoNav Challenge at an international platform. As a credit to our performance, we got a funding of 2.2 crores from the institute under the Center for Robotics. On the basis of my performance and contributions to Team AGV, I was selected as a team leader of Autonomous Ground Vehicle Research Group. Apart from my different roles with different organizations, I formed the research group under Professor J.N. Roy of the Advanced Technology Development Center. The research group, which works on solar technology and sustainable development, is currently representing IIT Kharagpur in Mahindra Spark the Rise Solar Challenge. On the basis of my active involvement in the field of technology, I was selected as a member of the hardware modeling team that represented IIT Kharagpur in the 3rd Inter-IT Tech Meet, in which we bagged a gold medal. I was successful in securing a summer internship in my second year at ABB Global Industries and Services Limited, a multinational corporation working on robotics and automation technology. I was also selected as one of the 20 trainees from all over India for Global Startup Labs program organized by Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Apart from my involvement in these activities, I was a part of gold-winning Hindi dramatics team of Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence in my third year. I was also a part of the silver-winning Hindi dramatics team and bronze-winning hardware modeling team of Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence in my second year. I was selected and represented the constituency of Mednapur in Model Youth Parliament 2014 held at Delhi. My involvement in these activities have given me invaluable experience, and I am confident that if elected to the post of Vice President, Technology Student Gymkhana, I will utilize this experience and work for the betterment of the student community.
Atal, you...
Atal mentioned that you have raised the fund of 2.54 crore for alumni cell. Can you please tell me what was your individual contribution in that?
So, I was the student representative from the team of Students Alumni Cell who worked in close consideration with the Office of Alumni Affairs and International Relations in raising an amount of 2.54 crores.
Again, listen my question properly. I am asking what was your individual contribution in that? It was a team effort that I agree with that. But what was your contribution in that?
So, as being a student representative from the team of Students Alumni Cell, I worked with them and contacted the batch leader of the batch of 1975 and various other batches in raising the amount of funds.
Atal, you mentioned in your SOP that the Vice President is the most crucial link between the institute administration and the student community. Can you tell me why?
So, the Vice President of the Technology Student Gymkhana is the first point of contact for the institute administration regarding any query or feedback from the student community. Hence, it is obvious that he is the most crucial link between the student community and the institute administration.
Atal, you were part of the STATS and DYWS teams, both of which you quit. Do you plan to do the same when you are, if elected as a Vice President Student Technology?
I believe that the IIT Kharagpur culture promotes students in first year to go for different opportunities available in the campus, and I also did the same. In my first year, I joined various organizations, but in my second year, when I joined the Students Alumni Cell, I developed interest in the Students Alumni Cell and had a talk with the governors of both the organizations and quit the organizations.
What happens if you develop another interest after being elected as a Vice President Technology Student Gymkhana? Will you quit this post too for the benefit of your own organization?
That in my first year, I joined these organizations, and I believe that the IIT Kharagpur culture also promotes students to join different organizations and opportunities available in the campus.
Atal, you mentioned in your SOP that you have excellent time management skills. Can you please highlight how have you managed your time efficiently?
In my third year, I was responsible and was a part of Students Alumni Cell, in which I was responsible for conducting the 12th annual alumni meet. As being a part of Autonomous Ground-Vehicle Research Group, I was responsible for Team AGV in participating in different national and international events. I also took the initiative of forming a research group under Professor J. N. Roy of the Advanced Technology Development Center. Apart from this, in my third year, in my 5th semester, I got an SGPA of 8.48, which tells about my efficient time management skills. Apart from this, I was part of the gold-winning dramatics team of Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence.
Atal, what have you done in database networking in Students Alumni Cell? Atal, what have you done in database networking in Students Alumni Cell?
So, in database networking, we call and convince alumni to come to IIT Kharagpur and visit the alma mater.
I have a follow-up question, just a minute. I have a follow-up. How many alumni did you convince in 11th and 12th alumni meet respectively?
So, in 11th annual alumni meet, I convinced 20 alumni out of 181 alumni who visited IIT Kharagpur. In the 12th annual alumni meet, I convinced 50 alumni out of the 245 alumni that visited IIT Kharagpur.
With your time management skills,
Atal, what is your CGPA now?
Atal,
Can you tell me what is your CGPA now?
So, my current CGPA is 7.36 and it is increasing from the past 3 years.
Atal, with your efficient time management skills, why did you leave GYWS, ISEC, SPACs? Couldn't you continue with the Social Welfare Society? Being the vice president, you would want to contribute to welfare. Why did you leave GYWS?
Let me answer your question. I am an active member and senior resource manager of RTI Anonymous. That is an NGO that works on fighting RTI anonymously. So, I am part and contributing in the social front as being a part of this organization. Apart from this, I was the deputy group leader of National Service Team of Unit 7. This tells the fact that I was actively involved in the social front also.
Atal, you were involved in the IIT Global Startups Lab program. Atal, you were involved in the
One panel is at a time, please.
Atal, you did a very good job during your second year in one panel is at a time, please. Atal, you're going to go up. Please go ahead.
I have a follow-up on the question. What are the different social initiatives that you've taken during your stay at IIT Kharagpur?
Ma'am, I have already stated that I was a part of RTI Anonymous and I have filed more than 50 RTIs for the people all across India. Apart from this, in my first year, I took an initiative of making videos of the child laborers working in different canteens of IIT Kharagpur. And after that, I found that out of the students who were working in different canteens, I took them and now they are studying in different schools across the campus.
Atal, tell me one thing. What was your role in the MIT Global Startups Lab program? What did you do in the MIT Global Startups Lab program?
Atal, I have one question. I start it first.
In the program organized by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, I learned the skills of entrepreneurship, how to make a startup, how to identify a problem, how to contact the venture capitalist. And from this initiative, I formed a research group under Professor J. N. Roy of the Advanced Technology Development Center. And the research group is currently representing IIT Kharagpur in Mahindra Spark Tanai Solar Challenge. Apart from this, now we have qualified for the 4th round and we are working on the prototype development in IIT Kharagpur. And it has a prize money of 2 crores which will be given to IIT Kharagpur if we wins.
Atal, why did you contest for the post of General Secretary Alumni Cell? Why did you contest for the post of General Secretary Students Alumni Cell?
In my second year, I was more interested and contributing in the sponsorship front. I found that in my third year, I was more effective in the fundraising part and can contribute to Student Alumni Cell as being a fundraising head. Apart from
Don't you think this is
let me complete my answer. Let me complete my answer.
One follow-up question.
Sir, I request
Let the candidate complete his answer.
Carry on.
Sir, as being a part of Student Alumni Cell in my third year, when we were on the team formation state, I found that I was more interested and can contribute more in the fundraising part. And there were other people in my team who can contribute as being a general secretary. And for the best interest of the team of Student Alumni Cell, I took the decision of being the fundraising head.
Atal, since you were the fundraising head, can you tell me one thing? What was the total sponsorship amount you raised for the 12th annual alumni meet?
I have a follow-up question. I'll complete that first.
So, my individual contribution as being a part of Student Alumni Cell for the 12th annual alumni meet was rupees 9 lakhs.
Atal, I was myself the sponsorship head and I believe sponsorship is purely a matter of luck. Do you have anything to say on that?
Sir, if you say so, it was luck. Luck in the sense, the harder you work, the luckier you get.
Atal, looks like you have been actively involved in Hindi dramatics. Atal, looks like you were actively involved in Hindi dramatics team. So what was your achievement and what was your specific role?
Sir, I was the SETS captain of Radha Krishna Hall of Residence, in which I was responsible for managing the sets and executing the sets at the time of the Hindi dramatics play. And apart from this, we also won the Best Sets Award.
And Atal, being involved in didn't you join Prabha? Why didn't you join Prabha? Since you wanted to try out all the organizations and being involved in Hindi Dramatics so actively, why didn't you join Prabha?
Sir, your question is very relevant, but it was my unfortunate that I was not present in IIT Kharagpur at the time when the selections were going on, because of which I was not able to go and get selected in the
Atal, since you were involved in the RK Hall hardware modeling team, can you tell me what was your role in the hardware modeling team of Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence?
So, as being a part of hardware modeling team of Radhakrishnan Hall of Residence, I was involved in the upgraded circuitry of the robot that was having 21 degrees of freedom, and was a robot that can transform from a car to a humanoid, and the name of the robot was Optimus.
Do you have an intern in Kharagpur?
What are your postgraduate representatives to three subcommittees: social and cultural, technology, and sports and games? Who are the three current postgraduate representatives to these three committees?
Sir, I cannot remember each and everything. If you want to know, I can check from my diary and let you know.
Please tell me again, that the vice presidential candidate cannot mention three of the very key postgraduate representatives. Now can you tell me, are these elected posts or the nominated posts?
These three posts are elected posts. If you want to know the names, I can check from my diary and let you know. Because
Thank you. I will request
I believe that this is not a memory test going on. If you want to know the names, I can check from my
I
diary.
would request Atal to kindly make the audience aware of the three current postgraduate representatives.
Atal, you said you increased the participation by 250%, right? I would like to know the steps that you took in order to achieve this.
Ma'am, let me answer the last question. I just want to tell in the names. Sir, the name of the postgraduate representative for social and culture is Mr. Vanilla. The name of postgraduate representative for technology is Hima Teja. The name of sports and games, technology postgraduate representative.
Do we have to hear the whole list?
Kunj, can you verify the names?
Atal, what are your views?
Kunj, can you verify the names?
No verification will be sought from me. That can be done after the statement of purpose.
Atal, go ahead and answer my question, please.
Sir, I had a talk with the postgraduate representative and he has given me these names, so there is no need to verify. If you want to check, I can mail you the details that he has published me as being the postgraduate representative.
Atal, can you tell me what was your role in increasing the participation of the regional student alumni meet by 250%?
Sir, earlier there was a participation of 40 students from IIT Kharagpur. This year the participation got increased to 150 students from IIT Kharagpur. I took an initiative of contacting the Technology Alumni Association in Bangalore, and I contacted them and convinced them to conduct an event for the benefit of the student community who was present in Bangalore.
Please tell me the role of Vice President in Career Development Center.
Atal, can you tell me
Please tell me the role of Vice President in Career Development Center.
Can you tell me the
Listen, Atal, if I am not doing anything wrong, listen, if I am not doing anything wrong, as per my knowledge is concerned, you are also trying for a contest for the Gymkhana election during 2012-13 in the Sekis post. What happened at that time? Your nomination has been got cancelled. Can you clarify that thing? And I have a follow on that question also.
Yes, sir. Sometimes we want to do for the benefit of the student community, and I also did the same. But unfortunately, at the very last moment, my candidature got cancelled because of some misinterpretation in the details. After which, I coordinated with Professor Partha Saab, the then warden of LBS Hall of Residence, and he told me that my wishes are with you, and you should contest for the post of Vice President Technology in Ghana.
That means I have a follow-on question. That means you mean to say administration at that time had done the mistake by cancelling your name.
Entertaining any kind of comments.
Atal, I have a question. What was your role at the Model Youth Parliament? And how does it help you as a Vice President candidate?
Atal,
Please tell me the role of
Yeah, Atal, I would like to. I've already asked you a question. Go ahead and answer it.
Ma'am, in the Model Youth Parliament 2040, I was present in Delhi and I interacted with the people from different backgrounds. I learned from their perspective. If I will be elected with as being the Vice President Technology in Gymkhana, I will utilize this experience and interact with the people of the IIT Kharagpur and put their problems in front of the institute administration.
Atal, what is your stand regarding...
October 2012.
Pradeep, you'll have your turn after this.
Atal, what is your stand regarding liquor consumption that goes on in the institute campus and the smoking?
Ma'am, there are some regulations by the institute as well as by the government of consumption of alcohol and smoking in the campus, and I abide by the law.
Atal, please tell me the role of...
Tell me the role of Vice President in the Career Development Center of IIT Kharagpur.
Nimesh, we'll take your question after Pradeep's question.
Atal, you have been suspended from the post of Maintenance Secretary of Lal Bahadur Holsa. LBS College, just in your first year. Atal, let me finish your question. Atal, let me finish my question. Atal, let me finish my question. In your first year, I have a letter from mid-October that states that you have been suspended from the post of Secretary Mess of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence. Why haven't you been reinstated in that post?
First of all, I want to tell you that I was not the secretary. There were 3 secretaries and I was the joint secretary mess. Okay? So sir, regarding your question that why I was suspended, I want to tell you that I did because there was a fight that happened in Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence between the mess workers and the student community of IIT Kharagpur. And I took a stand for the student community at that point of time, because of which I was suspended.
Atal, what is the role of Vice President in the Career Development Center?
You haven't answered my question. My question is, you have been suspended till further notice. Why haven't you been reinstated? You have been taken, an action was taken by your warden on your right. Do you agree with that? Why haven't you been reinstated for that post?
Sir, I was not reinstated on my post because I had not talked with the warden regarding this.
So you mean the
Atal, can you
Had your follow-up question.
Atal, can you tell me the role of Vice President?
After Satvik.
Mr. Atal, you mentioned your strengths and everything, your achievements, but you have not mentioned your drawbacks here. Okay, and coming to point of Mr. Pradeep Mittavalli and also Shashi, you have been suspended, that is true. And also, you don't have any clean sheet from that.
Is there a question?
It's a scenario, just wait for a minute. Okay, and you claimed yourself that you fighted with the workers, right?
Is that a question?
Atal, I am a student of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence and I know you have attended all the general body meetings.
Complete.
Hold on.
Okay, you only claimed that you fighted with the workers. Okay, after electing as a Vice President Gymkhana, can you give assurance? How can you give assurance that you won't fight with anyone? How can you give assurance?
I am not getting your question. I request you to please clear a fact first.
I am clearing this.
Sir, I have not fought with the mess workers. I was a representative of the student community, and because
You
of
only
fight that
claimed
happened,
yourself as you
I
fighted
took...
with
Sir,
mess
let me
workers.
complete my answer first. Sir,
You only claimed.
let me complete my answer. Or either you speak or I speak.
Atal, please go ahead.
Atal, do you fought for the students of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of Residence or not?
Sir, for the welfare of the student community, I took that action and stood with them when there was a fight between the mess workers and the hallboarders of Lal Bahadur Shastri Hall of
And
Residence.
after
Atal, there
also
was a
being suspended from
committee
the
against you.
As a responsible citizen.
Also, after suspended from the post, you have attended all the general body meetings and all the works he has looked after the mess secretary. So please don't comment that he hasn't done. I know I am the candidate of secretary mess of Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Rahul, as a panelist, you will be only asking questions. No clarifications or answers from you.
Okay, Atal. Atal, what is your opinion about the incident that took place at the MP Hall day last year?
Ma'am, that was an unfortunate incident that happened in Mother Teresa Hall of Residence in last year. As far as I had a talk with the then Vice President, he told me that there were few options available, either to have a disciplinary committee or to give them community service. I believe that our disciplinary committee could have stopped all their scholarships as well as will not allow them to contest in the Gymkhana election, as well as they were not allowed to get the institute awards as well as the Gymkhana awards. And community service is a far better option because it will make them realize the mistake as well as give them a punishment. Apart from this thing, where personal opinion says that this can act as a point in their resume also that they had done a social intern.
There was an article in Times of India in which you have mentioned that you took an initiative to launch 2015 gift for seniors this year. But actually this initiative was taken 2 years before by one of the borders of RPO President, Mr. Rajiv Vishnu. So isn't it a misrepresentation of the fact?
That was a wrong mistake by the Times of India. I put up my views to the Institute Development Executive, Mrs. Shriyoshi Ghosh, that I was a part of the Mindprint campaign, but they misinterpreted my words, and also Institutional Development Executive have written a mail to them that you have put up the words wrongly, and they have apologized for the same.
I have a question. That article was shared many times on the social network. You didn't took it down from that site. Why?
So, my duty was to inform the Institutional Development Executive. I did the same. My duty is not to regulate the page of IIT Kharagpur. I am responsible for myself.
What you have learned at MIT? One column is already over. Okay. Atal, you mentioned about MIT in your statement of purpose. Umang, let me ask you a question, please. Atal, you mentioned something about MIT in your statement of purpose. Tell us what you learned over there.
In the program conducted by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, I learned the skills of entrepreneurship, how to define a problem statement, how to talk to venture capitalists, and how to have your own startup. After learning these things, I formed a research group at IIT Kharagpur under Professor J.N. Roy. Apart from this experience will surely help me in implementing my proposals as being, if I am elected as the Vice President Technology in Gymkhana.
Atal, I have a follow-up question, please. How did you implement all of this in one go?
So, in this program, I learned all these skills, and after I came to IIT Kharagpur, I decided to form a research group under Professor J.N. Roy of the Advanced Development Center.
Okay, Atal,
Atal, I have a question. Atal, in the past you've been a very open supporter of the Aam Aadmi Party. Abhishek, just 1 minute. Abhishek, Atal, in the recent past,
We'll have a question after Umang.
Okay, Atal, out of 41 students recruited for Phonathon, why were no postgraduate and research scholar first years recruited in the same?
This was an initiative taken this year only by me only, and after taking this initiative, since the grooming people were second years and third years, so I believe that we cannot guide the postgraduate students, and we can only guide the undergraduate students of first year.
Okay, as a vice president, you would be able to guide the postgraduate and research scholar students.
I am not the vice president now. If I will be elected as the vice president, then I will guide the postgraduates as well as research scholar in getting the things done.
Atal,
in the recent past,
the role of Vice President in the Career Development Center?
Ramesh, you can ask your video question later.
I think we can follow the question.
Atal, you've been a very open supporter of Aam Aadmi Party in the recent past.
We will not be taking any politically motivated questions.
Thank you, Mohan.
It was quite brave of you to mention as a vice presidential candidate that it is not your job to regulate the page of IIT Kharagpur when it is conveying a false information which mentions your name in an article. Will you be continuing in the same vein if elected to this prestigious post?
I have already answered that question, that I notified the Institutional Development Executive regarding the same, and she herself written a mail to the Times of India to not to do this thing, and after that I talked with her and she told me that we will remove that article.
Atal, did you contact the PR cell or the IIT Kharagpur page admin for this? As per my information, no one was contacted to remove this false information which was spread amongst 10,000 students of IIT Kharagpur.
There is Office of Alumni Affairs and International Relations that also regulates the page. Mrs. Shriyoshi Ghosh, who is the Institutional Development Executive, regulates the page of IIT Kharagpur, and I notified her. It is not my duty to make it remember to each and every person of IIT Kharagpur.
Atal, tell me one thing. What is the role of Vice President in the Career Development Center?
So, the role of Vice President in the Career Development Center are as follows. So, he will be responsible he will be responsible for carrying out different activities with the support of placement committee team. As being an ex officio member, he will be responsible for arranging the logistics required during the placement, such as arranging the routers in the Nalanda complex or any other requirement during the placement season. Apart from this, he can contact and call companies to come to IIT Kharagpur along with the placement committee team. Apart from this, he will be a part of the selection procedure team for the career development center student coordinators.
Thank you, Atal.
It's a question about the placements where I think which a lot of students would be
Atal, why do you think the open house with the director was cancelled? Atal, why do you think that the open house with the director was cancelled? And if elected to the post of Vice President Technology Students in Khana, what steps would you take to make sure that such incident never takes place again?
Sir, the open house session conducted by the director of IIT Kharagpur was cancelled because there was less participation from the student community, mainly undergraduates. Sir, even though there were a large amount of people in the research scholars that came up to attend that event, but there was less participation from the undergraduates. If I will be elected as a Vice President Technology Student in Ghana, I will ensure to reduce the number of activities in the inter-hall events that will happen on that day and will publicize the event through mass mail as well as sending SMS to each and every student of IIT Kharagpur.
I have a follow-up.
My question is very simple. When did you decide to contest for the post of Vice President?
Abhishek, last question.
I have a follow-up.
Abhishek, Shakib has got a follow-up. After that, your question, and that is the last question.
Atal, you said that you will make sure that no inter-hall events and activities are taking place at around that time. So, you know that
I have not said that around the time, on that particular day, we can stop the activities.
How will you stop the activities? That is what my question is, because you know that the events calendar is very compact. It has no room to shift any of the events. You might be knowing this, I think, as the VP candidate.
Sir, it is my duty to coordinate with the general secretaries and the hall president and second senior members of different house of residence to suspend the activities on that particular date.
Atal, you very elaboratively elucidated the role of the Vice President in the Career Development Center. Now can you tell me, if the phase 1 of placements is conducted consecutively for the first 20 days in December, why the phase 2 is evenly distributed through the next semester?
Even though phase 1 of the placement happens in December from day 1 to day 20, and after that it happens in January, from January 5th around when the second semester starts.
I have a follow-up question. My question was, why does that happen in this way? Not that you repeat my own question for the benefit of the audience.
Atal, can you... we are not taking any more questions, any new questions. Atal, you can please clarify your stand on the previous question.
Sir, regarding your question, since we have the slotting team that is responsible for giving different slot to the companies in the phase 1 placement, after that phase 1 placements, companies can come to any day they want to conduct the recruitment season, and that happens in the second phase.
Thank you, Atal, you can take your seat. Thank you, Atal. Atal, you can take your seat. Your answer.
Sir, I just want to tell one more important point. When I decided to contest for the post of Vice President Technology in Gymkhana, I started working and knowing the problems of the student community. I realized that one of the major problems that the student community is facing is regarding the security in the institute as well as regarding the medical problems in contacting the ambulance. So, I started development of an application that I would like to demonstrate to the panelists. So, I request Mr. Rajan to allow me to show the application.
You want to do it right now or in your proposal section?
Sir, that is not my proposal, that is my own initiative.
Please go ahead.
Show now. We have two buttons. One is for sending a medical emergency and other is for security. If someone presses the security button, then the notification will be sent to the security office and they will be notified about the location, the GPS coordinate, the name of the person, the roll number, and they can send the security as soon as possible. In the medical button, once the person presses the medical button, the server will be in the hospital and the hospital will be notified about the problem and they will send the ambulance as soon as possible.
Atal, have you developed this app yourself? Demis, we are not taking any questions. Atal wanted to speak something and hence I gave him this opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Rajan, for giving me an opportunity to express my views. I have 4 proposals. My first proposal is to have Students International Relations Cell. I propose the formation of a student body, Students International Relations Cell, under the Dean of Alumni Affairs and International Relations, that will assist the Office of Alumni Affairs and International Relations in expanding and improving the international presence of IIT Kharagpur. There are 5 points expressing the necessities of Student International Relations Cell. First, thank you. The Office of Alumni Affairs and International Relations is currently developing the alumni relations and is yet to focus on international relations program of IIT Kharagpur. Second, in line with the current proposal of the Dean of Undergraduate Studies, there is an urgent need to expand to a fully functional international relations cell which will facilitate the process of exchange semesters for the students of IIT Kharagpur. Third, increasing and regulating the number of internship opportunities in foreign universities. The scope of the institute's current approach is restricted to only MOU signed universities. Fourth, catering to the growing interest of the students towards participation in international conferences and competitions like Hult Prize, South American Business Forum, Harvard Project for Asian and International Relations, World Business Dialogue, etc. Fifth, developing a framework where students can approach to foreign universities and facilitate academic collaborations through memoranda of understanding. There are 5 points highlighting the benefits of having Students International Relations Cell. First, creation of a dedicated body which can solely focus on improving the international relations and thus improving the global presence and ranking of IIT Kharagpur. Second, increasing the number of partners for students exchange agreements and improving cultural exchanges by initiating the 2-way exchange semesters between partner universities and IIT Kharagpur. Third, creating more number of internship opportunities at foreign universities, thereby promoting research work for both undergraduates and postgraduate students of IIT Kharagpur. Fourth, organizing technical, business or generic conferences and competitions such as World Business Dialogue, South American Business Forum, and inviting diverse set of students from international universities to provide international exposure to students of IIT Kharagpur. Fifth, providing an opportunity to students of IIT Kharagpur to act as brand ambassadors of the institute and encouraging them to initiate and facilitate the MOU generation process between IIT Kharagpur and different international universities which they may be visiting for internships or conferences.
Atal, it's a very comprehensive proposal. I just want to understand a simple thing. Did you do any groundwork or have you met any professor regarding this? And if yes, what was the statement?
Sir, I already had a talk with the Dean of Alumni Affairs and International Relations to implement this proposal. He told me that provide me with a hard copy and he will forward it to a director, and he said this is a very nice proposal taking the initiative of IIT Kharagpur as a Vision 2020.
You have mentioned that the institute's current approach is restricted to MOU signed universities only. But I like to tell you that the universities which publish any advertisement, you can also do internship officially there. So I think this point is wrong.
Yes, sir, I am aware about this.
Atal, what is the current
I will never come back. Continuing with your misinterpretation of facts, right from your candidature and to the statement of purpose now, I think now we have to verify another fact. Do you know there was a notice put up recently in which students were barred from students were not given funding for a particular competition which had the same kinds of selection criteria as the Ultras. Can you name that notice and that competition or any student involved in that competition?
Yes, sir. I am aware about the fact that Mr. Abhishek Chandwani, who applied for this project, was not given funding, and this is my proposal that from next year you will get the funding for this program.
I have a follow-up question. It's my question. I think it is not going to follow. So, Atal, can you name the competition? I think the name of the student is not as relevant as the institute at large and its benefit. So, can you name the competition and the reason why it was denied funding for the benefit of the audience?
That some of the students were rejected for funding because the institute has limited funding in the international front, and my proposal will totally focus on getting funding for all students of IIT Kharagpur who applied for this program.
Let me have a follow-up question. Atal, just tell me, don't you think for the last 2-3 years, institute have started sending people or undergraduate students for international conferences, of which many of the panelists also participated into that conference, one of which is mentioned over here, HULT competition.
Yes, sir, I am aware about this fact that many of the undergraduate students are allowed to go for internship abroad. But because we have limited fundings, and this year we got many applications for the World Business Dialogue, that is one of the best conferences in the world. But since institute has limited funding, we were not able to give funding to each and every competition, and that's why I have brought this proposal to give funding to each and every student from next year.
And I have a follow-up on this. I myself interacted with a lot of postgraduate and research students, and they were planning to host some conference in the month of July, for which they were not getting funding. Do you think this proposal of International Relations Cell can help them organize a conference in the institute?
So, what I believe is that there are two ways, either to bring international students to IIT Kharagpur or send students from IIT Kharagpur to abroad. So I believe that having a conference at IIT Kharagpur will solve the problem, and I have it in my proposals also. You can just go through the point number 4, organizing technical, business or generic conferences and competitions such as World Business Dialogue or South American Business Forum, and inviting diverse set of students from international university to provide international exposure to students of IIT Kharagpur, and my proposal is truly focused on that.
Taking the groundwork up on this matter, as Apoor mentioned, the issue is on the funding. Can you tell me one initiative which you are going to take which will increase your ambit for funding? Where will the extra funds come from which can support new and other students apart from HULT Prize or some selected students of World Business Dialogue?
There are many fest and organizations working in getting sponsorship from different organizations, and my proposal of having a student international relations hall will solve the problem because they will contact different sponsored organizations to fund these organizations.
Atal, I asked for groundwork. Have you contacted any potential sponsor which is ready to fund or sponsor any international conference which the institute did not fund? As you have read the notice, I think you know the name of the competition which you did not mention in the previous answer, or if you can mention some groundwork regarding that, that would be better for the audience.
A lot of groundwork regarding this proposal. I contacted one of the companies also who is ready to sponsor a conference in India. This is the first of its conference that will happen in India because none of the other IITs hosting such a conference.
Have you contacted any of the institutes also? Have you also contacted any of the institutes?
Let me just have a verification email which states the confirmation of that company. Thank you.
So I can send you the email after the statement of purpose, and I will talk with IIM Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi and IIT Madras, and we can have a proposal regarding this.
There are a lot of major issues in the campus right now, like the placements, the maintenance, the security issues. I just want to know why you chose Students International Relations Cells as your first proposal. Do you not think that your efforts will be better come to a conclusion in a short amount of time if you address your efforts in along those directions?
Sir, there are many things in which we can work on, but taking the initiative of IIT Kharagpur to bring IIT Kharagpur in the top 20 universities of the world, I believe that we need to focus on international relations also, and my proposal is to focus on that.
Have you done, just a follow-up on that,
is shown.
Okay, Atal, there are...
Hold on. Pradeep had a question, right?
Atal, I want to know, can you give me any rough figure of, I want an amount that will approximately be required to serve this purpose. Can you tell me, quote an amount? I want to know how many people, or have you taken any survey on how many students are interested to go to the conferences, how many have been denied funding, and what would be the exact, I mean, at least a rough idea of funds that would be required, because you need to set a target right.
So, I had talked with many of the research scholars who are planning to host a conference at IIT Kharagpur, and I came to know that it requires a funding of around 90 lakhs. The institute has agreed to give a funding of 50 lakhs, and they have to arrange 40 lakhs through a sponsorship.
Atal, I have a follow-up. I would like to know the amount required to send students to conferences, not to conduct a conference in the campus. The conference is happening, even if you become the vice president or not, the conference will happen. I am saying to send the students to conferences outside India, abroad. How much funds will you be needing? Or do you have any groundwork on that?
Sir, to send students from IIT Kharagpur to abroad, we need funding of having their travel expenses reimbursed. As far as I know, to send to United States, it requires a fund of around 1.5 lakhs. And I was a part of Autonomous Downbeaker Research Group, and our team went to United States of America, and we got a funding of 3 lakhs from the institute.
Atal, you already have Office of Alumni Affairs.
Atal, one minute, hold on.
Atal, you already have Office of Alumni Affairs and International Relations in place, right? Why don't you improve its working? Why you want to open a new cell? That's a Students International Relations cell. Why don't you improve the working of alumni
Sir,
offices?
I already had a talk with the Dean of Alumni Affairs and International Relations regarding the same. He told me that by increasing the numbers, we might decrease the efficiency, and we can have a separate portal that is having an international cell that will be solely dedicated to promote the international relations in IIT Kharagpur.
Okay, Atal, I have a question for you. There are explicit rules for students to apply for international conferences. There is a CGPA criteria. There is a maximum amount that you get for international funding. This proposal does not solve all of these problems. There are students who are denied on the basis of CGPA. How do you plan to solve that problem?
Sir, this is one of the initiatives that I am planning to take. If I will take the initiative, then I will solve the other problem. First, my focus is to have an international cell that will focus on having international conference at IIT Kharagpur, as well as participating in different events internationally, getting more MOUs signed with the institute.
Atal,
Okay, also can you also explain the current procedure being followed for a student to apply for a conference funding?
I
I had a follow-up on the same question.
You can have it after Abhishek.
Yeah. So, do you know in the ERP there is a section in which we can apply for financial assistance for international conferences? Will this come under the ambit of that, or will your proposal come under the ambit of ERP? What is going to happen? There is no groundwork mentioned in your proposal.
Sir, I am aware about the fact that there is a portal on the ERP through which you can apply and ask them for the funding, but that takes a lot of time. Or having an international cell will help you in getting a funding as soon as possible.
Atal, isn't that only for academic conferences? Atal, I would like to ask you something. Isn't the option on ERP only for academic conferences?
Yes, ma'am. It is basically focused on the academic conferences, but my proposal will focus on other conferences also that the student can participate.
So, thank you for your answer, Atal. I also have another question
one
for
more
you.
question.
What is the role of advisory committee in the cell, in the functioning of the cell?
One more question.
Hold on.
Atal, so you mentioned,
Let's have each of the panelists asking some questions on here, right?
In your committee, the members are from third year students, second year students, and no PG and no RS. So why? It's a mistake, or you did it intentionally? What?
I think
It's a mistake, or you did it intentionally?
I just want to answer your question. We are asking second year students to apply. It is not mentioning that we require only second year undergraduate students. So postgraduate students who are in second year can also apply for this program.
You should clearly mention it here. You should mention. You should mention this.
Sir, I should mention, if I have mentioned undergraduate, I am not differentiating a student on the basis of undergraduate, postgraduate or research scholar.
Okay, Atal, I have a question for you. I would like to know the role of advisory committee in the functioning of the cell. Role of the advisory committee in the functioning of the cell.
Ma'am, advisory committee will work in coordination with the executive committee in getting the things done. at an initial start, I have mentioned that the ex-executive committee of Students Alumni Cell will help in getting the things done and implementing my proposal.
Atal, you mentioned that the ERP portal takes a lot of time for the financial funds to be released. Can you mention a tentative time frame, because you criticize almost in a public forum the administration? As far as I know, the time is very efficient.
This was the last question.
Even though it takes a lot of time, but my proposal will help in getting the things done as soon as possible.
I have a follow-up. What is that time? When you say lot of time, quantify. What is that time? You must be aware, right? That is why you are speaking in a public forum.
So I also applied through that portal, and my thing was not done in 15 days. So I think the time frame must be more than 15 days.
Thank you, Atal. You can take your seat.
Proposal is to start English learning program at IIT Kharagpur to provide students with an opportunity to enhance their English levels by enrolling in optional English learning program by British Council, thus increasing the average level of English proficiency among students of IIT Kharagpur. My third proposal is to have placement advisory committee under the Career Development Center, which will help enhance the placement opportunities at IIT Kharagpur. The committee will consist of globally recognized alumni who will advise the chairman, Career Development Center, in attracting top-tier recruits at IIT Kharagpur. My fourth proposal is titled Anurag, which will work in coordination with Technology Student Gymkhana along with Counseling Center and Student Welfare Group to organize year-long events in the following fields. Creating awareness aimed at specific topics will be organized throughout the year. External speakers, NGO workers, professional agencies working in these specific areas will be inviting on campus to deliver workshops and lectures. The topics will be LGBT awareness, suicide prevention, as well as sex and relationship education guidance. Now I will discuss my second proposal. I propose to provide students with an opportunity to enhance their English levels by enrolling in optional English learning program by British Council, thus increasing the average level of English proficiency among students of IIT Kharagpur. Over the years, it has been observed that quality of communicative English among students is not adequate. The feedbacks given by different companies seeking recruits from IIT Kharagpur and universities enrolled in a student exchange program with IIT Kharagpur have repeatedly conveyed that our students don't have satisfactory communication skills. Therefore, there is a need to introduce a course aimed at limited English proficiency to students in particular, while simultaneously catering to all students on different levels. There is a need to have an in-depth assessment of one's English skills. The structure is as follows. There will be certain levels in the curriculum. Levels are based on English proficiency possessed by the student. Example, level 1 will emphasize upon grammar and vocabulary. It is aimed at everybody written and spoken English for work or study purposes. Level 2 will focus on spoken English. This is aimed at developing the language skills which can be used for university and student visa applications abroad. Level 3. Students will be taught business communication through presentations and mock interviews. This is aimed at usage of English in international business environments. Level 4 will focus on financial and legal language skills. This is aimed at proper usage of English in the financial and legal context of a work environment.
Okay, I have a question for you. I think under the new guidelines, I have read an article in Scholars Avenue by Professor Rajendra Singh Zadi, Undergraduate Studies, that from 2016 there has been a suggestion to scrap the normal English language course of first year and introduce a professional course. So how is your profession? Is your proposal a copy of that? Even I wrote British Council professional emphasis on that, levels of various courses. I heard all that is Scholars Avenue.
No sir, it is not a copy of proposal. It is in line with the Dean of Alumni Affairs, Dean of Undergraduate Studies proposal.
Atal, it is Dean Undergraduate
Sir,
Studies.
let me complete my answer. It is in line with the Dean of Undergraduate Studies proposal, and I am planning to work on having 4 levels so that to evaluate the performance of students on different levels. So we will have level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. So since all students require different skills, so some require spoken skills, some require presentation skills, some require grammar, some require vocabulary. So my proposal is focusing on each and every aspect.
Atal, have you contacted anyone in the curriculum revision committee? Have you contacted anyone in the curriculum revision committee or taken any inputs or feedback from them, since I think your proposal is the same one? Have you met anyone there?
Sir, I have already cleared your point that it is in line with the proposal of the Dean of Undergraduate Studies. And sir, regarding my proposal, I had a talk with the British Council and they have approved our request and they are ready to come to IIT Kharagpur and help us in our project.
Atal, can you enlighten the benefits of this proposal? Atal, can you enlighten the benefits of this proposal? You just mentioned
can you enlighten the benefits of this proposal?
After this.
Atal, can you enlighten the benefits of this proposal for all 10,000 students of IIT Kharagpur?
Sir, it will impact a lot of the student community because many of us fail in having good communication skills and my proposal will help all the undergraduate, postgraduates and research scholars of IIT Kharagpur.
Okay, Atal, I have a question for you. Atal, is it
How will your proposal enhance Atal, you just mentioned in the response to one of the panelists that this is in line with the curriculum revision committee as formed by the Dean Undergraduate Studies. Why don't I see it mentioned anywhere in the proposal? Don't you think even mentioning that would be good enough if you're putting it on a public forum when you've inspired your proposal from the Dean Undergraduate Studies?
It is not just inspired by the Dean of Undergraduate Studies. I talked with many other deans also regarding the same and they are very pro of having this proposal to help the student community getting better communication skills.
Atal, I understand that you've done a lot of groundwork and I appreciate that, but I think it is mandatory for the forum that you put all of these points in your proposal for the benefit of the panelists as well as the audience. I don't see any of these points mentioned in the proposal that you've had a discussion with the Dean UG or any other dean for that matter.
Okay. Sir, I believe that having a mail from the British Council which says that they are ready to associate with us is sufficient to conduct an event at IIT Kharagpur and having IIT Kharagpur community learning English proficiency skills.
Okay, Atal, I have a question for you. First of all, please clear it to me. Is it a part of curriculum or is it under Technology Students Gymkhana? If it is under Technology Students Gymkhana, is it just in addition to the Lingua Club that is currently operational?
It is not under Technology Student Gymkhana. We are planning to have an optional course, maybe inclined to have like NSS, NSO or NCC. We can have an optional course that will teach students English skills.
How will your proposal enhance the brand IIT KGP internationally?
So, when students of IIT Kharagpur go to different universities abroad for doing their conferences or having their internships, I believe we got a lot of complaints from the universities that I have mentioned in my proposals also that we don't have satisfactory communication skills. So this will directly impact the branding of the institute.
Atal, did you take any feedback from did you take any feedback?
Just a follow-up question. If you want to put this proposal in academic scenario, then why didn't you talk to Dean UG? Why did you take his approval and why haven't you shown it here?
Sir, I was not able to contact him at that point of time because he was busy. But I had a talk with the British Council and since they have approved and I had a talk with many placement committee members regarding the same and they also told that there is a requirement of having English communication.
Atal, being a vice president, I think you should be aware of the purview of the
Pradeep, let's follow the cue. I was next in line. Atal, before drafting this proposal, did you take feedback from any of the placement coordinators or ex-placement coordinators or the finalist students about the problems that they faced in the placement regarding their communication skills?
Sir, I had a talk with many placement committee members as well as ex-placement committee members to whether to have a proposal or not and they told me that this is very requirement since they have a good experience of contacting the companies and helping the students of IIT Kharagpur getting recruited in that.
Okay, Atal, I have a question for you. Considering this is a part of curriculum, would British Council be a part of faculty of IIT Kharagpur? The faculty from British Council would be a part of faculty from at IIT Kharagpur. What would be the credit requirement? Is there an SGPA criteria? What all groundwork have you done?
Sir, as such, they will not be a faculty of IIT Kharagpur. They are an independent organization that will be hosting this program at IIT Kharagpur. And regarding the credit system, I think that this will be an optional system like an extra academic activity, so it will not have impact in the SGPA.
Atal, can you throw some light on the introductory assessment, as in how will it be conducted and planned?
Atal, if you
I
if you
repeat
are
my question,
Atal,
can you
are
throw
already-
some light on the introductory assessment?
Ma'am, I am planning to implement this proposal as being an optional course in which we might be taking nominal fees from the students of IIT Kharagpur. But I believe that having fees, that more than fees, it is important to have students who get better communication skills.
Atal, by reading your proposal, I feel that I have read something, I think almost the same thing about British Council, adding into curriculum and everything, when in the article of Scholars Avenue. I want to know how is your
Can you get
proposal
over it?
different from that? How is your proposal different from that? What is your own initiative in it? What input have you done in it? The British Council was already contacted by the institute. I have read in the Scholars Avenue, and Professor Professor Rajendra Singh has already mentioned that. What have you done?
Sir, I have read all the articles on the Scholars Avenue.
No more questions on British Council, okay? I think it is enough. I have heard enough.
Next questions. Atal, I want to know what is the groundwork that you have done on this proposal?
Sir, I have already stated that I had a talk with the British Council and they are ready to come to IIT Kharagpur and discuss this proposal with us.
So, Atal, will there be any students involved?
Forget about British Council. I'm fed up. Okay? Move ahead.
Atal, how will this proposal help in achieving the objectives of Career Development Center?
Sir, since Career Development Center is not only focusing on the placements and internship, they are also focusing on improving the skills of IIT Kharagpur students. So this will help in grooming the students better, in which that will surely contribute in having more placements and interns.
Again, are you aware about the soft skill development program conducted by? Are you aware about the soft skill development program conducted by Career Development Center this year? And how many students took part in the same, considering there was a nominal fee involved in it?
Sir, I was aware about this soft skill session in which the prize money was capped rupees, in which the charges were
I'm sorry, prize money?
in which the charges for attending was rupees 2,000. Sir, I had a talk with them also, like the placement committee members, and they told me that we can have a separate organization working on this that will surely help us improving the communication skills.
Who amongst the,
Is rupees 2,000 a very nominal amount?
who amongst the placement committee members was responsible for conducting the soft skill training program? Can you please elaborate?
Sir, I am not aware about that, but I had a talk with placement committee members like Mr. Devi Sharma.
Atal, Abhishek, I have a question. Abhishek.
Go for this. We follow you. Atal, your proposal.
I am next in line. So, Atal, this introductory assessment. Atal, you've written that the introductory assessment will be compulsory for all the students. Do you not think that we should just consider the students who think that they don't have sufficient communication skills, and only these students should come forward as these are the only students who want to improve? Why is the introductory assessment test compulsory for all the students?
Sir, every student has different communication skills, and my program and my proposal is basically focusing on having different levels. So some student might be facing problem in spoken English, some might be facing problems in grammar. So we will get to know. Sir, let me complete my answer. So we will get to know each and every problem by involving all the students of IIT Kharagpur, so that we can help them in guiding in whichever front they want.
Atal, my question is that why are this follow up.
Atal, a very simple point. Your proposal mentions the word curriculum. So your proposal is based around curriculum. I just want to ask, how can you validate your proposal on curriculum without contacting the Dean UGS? And please,
Abhishek, we have discussed that. We won't be discussing it anymore. Next question, please. We have discussed that.
Atal, not
We have discussed that. Next question, please.
Atal, how will this proposal help students of IIT Kharagpur in overcoming their shortcomings?
Sir, sometimes during the placements, when many students of IIT Kharagpur face many problems, like they are not having good communication skills, so they don't perform good in group discussions as well as personal interviews. So I think my proposal will surely help in improving the communication skills.
So will this proposal give any kind of assessment or analysis?
Yes sir, my proposal will surely help in getting them assist by different levels.
Soft skills workshops are conducted by Career Development Center, but there was poor turnout. Have you tried to find out the reason for that? The reason?
Sir, my proposal is more focused on having a session for the benefit of the student community in first and second year, so that we can involve them and having them learning from the initial beginning. So they will learn from first and second year, and till the time they will sit for placements, they will have good communication skills.
Atal, have you tried, because this has been already tried in the campus, I think you are aware of that. Why didn't you try to find out the problems for the poor turnout?
Sir, I am aware about the fact. So let me complete my answer. Sir, I am aware about the fact that they have conducted soft skill session for third year and fourth year undergraduate student, but not for first year, second year. And my proposal is mainly focused for having improvement for the initial start at IIT Kharagpur.
Okay, Atal,
Thank you.